against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, let's check your attendance. If your name is called, say present. Okay, Alquino,
Present.
Aguillon,
Present.
Barito,
Present.
Huegos,
Present.
Karin,
Present.
Singday, Tulania,
Present.
Vitor. Okay, all are present. So this time, I will send to you our classroom standards or the classroom or our classroom management. So first classroom management is listen carefully. So dapat una pa lang dapat maminaw mo para makasagot mo sa ating discussion. Next is don't interrupt while the teacher is discussing. So while they discuss po, di sa mo pagsaba-saba or maminaw mo para maka-answer mo niya sa itong activity. So next is keep silent. So dapat din mo magsaba-saba. Next is be responsible. So sa itong activity unya, dapat mo cooperate mo para may ka-order sa itong activity. Next is be active. Dapat di magkaluya-luya. Dapat mo participate ka sa itong activity. Okay? Next is, so okay na ba ito itong classroom management? So this time, we have our first activity. So before we start our discussion, we have our first activity. So, can please insert ko, please ihingin yung bangko para natay ka ng activity. Gina, pastor. 1, 2, dapat mo na nilalaman. Hindi siya, cooperate mo tanan ha, cooperate. I'll give you 5 minutes. Kamu tanan mag-answer ha. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. Review ko nga natin. Mataka lang, katasa. So, when the time is up, ipasa na yung kapit ha. Kung 5 minutes, time is up naman. first. So now we have already done in the video reviewing your topic. So, para makawala mo kung sa inyong topic karon, so na tayo isang activity. So this activity is para ma-explore ninyo kung sa atong topic is kung ano. So direction, graph each linear functions. Each has a corresponding emoji that is represented through the emojis. So it's either happy, angry, or smiley. So isolve sa inyo ba aning quadri? Maklaro ba? Maklaro ba siya? Or klaro na? Klaro ba? Sige. And mama, may papel no, paano na? I'll give you 2 minutes na. 2 minutes. I'm going to share the paper. Explore lang yun. Explore lang. Sige na, time's up na. Pass the paper. Sige na, 1, 2, so this time I'll present to you our objectives of our topic. So, at objectives of the topic, we have four objectives of our topic. So first objective is define slope of a line. Next is identify rise of a run. Next is calculate the slope of a line using a graph, an equation, 2 points, or a set of data points. Next is relate slope of a line to real life situations. So our topic for today is all about slope of a line. So our topic for today is all about slope of a line. So what is slope of a line? Slope of a line Okay, please read.
Slope of a line is a measure of its steepness.
Next.
Mathematically, slope is calculated as rise over run, change in divided by change in x. Slope of a line measures the relationship between two variables that is when x increases, y also increases, and vice versa.
Okay, slope of a line is a measure of its steepness. So slope of a line is nag-measure siya sa kanang rise over run. And so ang iyang ibang formula is rise over run. For example, we have here our example. So, maklaro siya. So, for example, diri ang graph. So, rise over run. So, kanang itong gikan diri iba gikan diri paana, wala yang rise. So, kanang padiri po wala yang run. So, ibalik padagan. Gikan diri paana, tas paana. Masabtan, rise na pataas, meaning rise pataas, then run ang iyang padagan. So, mo niyang iyang sa diri ato sa price man siya. Na, price, mo ni ang price, data sa price na 2468. Tapos quantity supplied 0 to 9. So, kung diriya rise, tapos run. So, ang iyang panalis na diridikan ang point, so meaning pataas. So, in between so ang slope of a line is nag-measure siya sa relationship sa two variables. For example, x and y. So, y na diri paano mo sa partition plane? Kaagin na mo. Kanang x tapos y rather tapos x. So, kung paano na siya, ibalik y and x, then nadiri ang iyang origin. So, meaning, kung paano na siya, kung i-relate na to sa price of sa quantity supply. Kung magtaas ang price, magtaas po ang quantity supply. Meaning, kung mataas ang presyo, mataas po ang iyang supply, di ba sa buta, ba sa bugas. Kung mataas ang presyo, mataas ba ang iyang supply, kanang mataas ang wanang mamaligya, ibali, supply. Then, next is so, okay na ba rin siya di ang apart? Nasabta na ba? Meaning, ang slope of a line is nag-measure siya sa steepness sa pataas o sa iyang padagan. So, kung i-relate na to sa economics, mo yung sa price and quantity supply ba kung mataas ang presyo, mataas po ganyan ang quantity supply. So, next is we have our next activity. Find the slope of the line represented by the table of values. So, maling x, then mo niyang y. So, makita niyo kung saan slope niya. So, another one whole sheet of paper. Papel sila. Tina, times it. Times up. Pass your paper in front. 1, 2, 3. At the count of 10, dapat na siya 3 ah. 4. Okay, wala na. Ano na natin? So, this time we proceed to our next topic or the continue of this topic. So, So, the continue of our topic is the formula of the slope of a line. So, di ba naman naman takong sa slope of a line? So, ano sa ito ang formula sa slope of a line? Yes, Alpino? What is the formula of slope of a line? Please louder your voice. Please stand up.
Rise over run.
Okay, very good. So the formula of our topic is, or the formula of slope of a line is rise over run, or rise over run or M or represent to slope, rise over run, or this is the second point, then this is the first point. So rise means how many units you move up. So di ba kung wala to ganina kung gikan sa ubos or gikan sa point pataas. Tapos ang kaning run gikan sa point padagan. It's either left or right. For example, diri makita niyo na mga drawing na ang sa tawag niya gani. Tawag ani. Wala sa bukay gani. My God, this is a Cartesian plane. So, ano yung Cartesian plane? So, kaninga part is mo ng y-axis or y. Then, diri ang mo ng x-axis or y-axis. So, example na to siya sa rise over run. So, di ba ang rise over run is katong kung rise, hindi ka diri is either paada or pa taas, down or pa-up. Tapos ang run is pa-left or pa-right. So diri kinsa may mo count lang gikan sa point pila ang iyang run o pila ang iyang rise. Kinsa may mo kuan? Anyone? I-count naman. Kaya nang basihan ninyo yung sa aming line. Nasay mo count lang. Di ba mo ni ang run, tapos mo ni ang right, iyang rice kibali so padaw ang iyang. So i-count lang ninyo kanang iyanana. Pila ang iyang rice overrun. Isa ang sa rice. Okay, paring. Asa equal sina. I-count lang na nimo tapos iingon na nimo kung pila ang iyang rice. Count lang nimo diri ah. Dili ka mag-start diri ah, kung dili na ka magsugod ana. Padulong diri ah. So pila ang iyang rice. From here in front, dili count ang iyang kuan.
Answer rice 1.
Okay, very good. So our rice is 7. So diri ang side, ang rice is equal to 7. So sa run, kinsa man? Ikan diri ang side pa ana diri so dili ka diri wag sugod sa point, dili na ka sa ikaduha. Kinsa may mo represent? So sa point. Count lang tapos iingon na yung pila ang iyang run.
8 ma. 7.
Sinday, pila?
8.
8? Mas tas ko sa 8.
9.
Okay, very good. 9. So, ang atong run is 9. Di naman magsugod. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 ang ato ang run. So, ika na kapagkuha sa rice overrun. Iba ni kung diri ang point, di ba paana man siya diri ang. So unsa tanaw na kung tanaw diri pa negative man diri atas dito positive. Di ba sa Cartesian playlist na siya y axis and x axis. So diri ang part is negative integers, diri ang part is basta tiwanan niyo ang pa left na side is negative, pa right is positive. Same diri ako, ang down code is negative, ang up code is positive. So, di ba, kung diri saan siya gani? It's either negative or positive ang result.
Negative.
Okay, negative. Since ang ato ang formula is rice overrun, so meaning ang atong rice, pila gani itong rice? 7. 7 over, ang atong run? 9. So, kay pa-down man siya, tas pa-left pud siya, so ang answer, so ang ato ang slope o balay is negative. So negative 7 over 9. Okay na, nag-guess na ninyo ang rice overrun? Okay. So this time, to elaborate our topic, nasa tayo na nga example. Nang man ka sa kanang graph, kanang overall din ako sa solving. Mabasa ra? Please read out.
Determine the slope of the line that goes through the pair of points. 3, 4.
Diba? Mori ang kanaang iyahang, mori kibala ang pair of point. So nga to ang formula ani para makuha. Atong formula ani para makuha ang iyang result is kani siya nga formula. ani M? Produces ani M? Una kani. M is represent slope ni siya. Slope ni siya ang M. Then, so mo na itong formula na gamiton para makasolve ta ani. So mo na itong gamiton na data. So ato na siyang i-distribute. So di ba? Kung ato na siyang ikuan, pair mo na siya. So bali, x sub 1. Ang pagbasa ni ani, y sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 1. So, ganun din yung part, di ba mo yung first number? So, x sub 1 na siya. Diri second number po siya sa x, so x sub 2. Then, ganun y sub 1, then y sub 2. So, ato na siya i-substitute gamit ay nga formula. So, di ba, i-substitute na ito diri 7. So, y sub 2 is 7, di ba? Then, y sub 1 is negative 4. So, our x sub 2 is negative 5. Tapos, minus 3. Our x sub 1 is 3. So, 7 minus 4. So, saan mo na siya dapat? Nakagilid yung integers. So, dapat, kung positive, mahimo. No. Negative plus negative is equal to positive. So, mo yung positive ang sign diri. So, 7 plus 4, mahimo na siyang positive. 7 plus 4, tapos negative minus, ganun, lahi mo sila, nilahi ko sila, ano man. So, kung ingana gali ang yung plus star, mahimo na siyang positive. Tapos, kung ingana gali siya, kanang bulag sila, nga mas dako ang kaniyong bigger ang kaniya, tapos negative yung sign. Ikapira ang sign, tapos ma-add hapon sila, pero ikapira ang sign mo ng negative 8. So, 7 plus 4, 11 over negative 8. So, may na siyang negative 11 over 8. So, kira? Nasabda na ba? So, gamito na rin nato siya nga formula para ma-determine nato ang slope of the line. So, mo niya ka ng solving, gamito ko mo ito ang sa graph, katong rise over run. Sige, next. So, last activity. Our last activity is, the title is Finding Slopes from a Table. Tapos mo niya iyang mga guidelines. Paano lang niya iyang leaden? So as you can see, kanimo yung Mark, Tracy, Dog, Patty, and Sarah. So based ani ma-answer ninyo ang question. So mo niya yung step by step. Mo niya ang formula ng gagawin. Basi mag-report mo kani gani, same lang sila. So, ang slope is equal aning change of y and change of x. Pero same lang sila. Yan yung hapon itong i-substitute. Yung ato. So, I'll group you into two groups. Counting lang ta. Count to 1, ang 2. Sige na, circle. Faster, 1. 2. Diri niyo i-answer sa kanang blank sheet, dira niyo i-answer. So, di ba nakita niyo dira kanang, di ba mo ni ang kuan, formula ko na siya. Mo di ba mo ang formula, isang picture sa gihapon ninyo ning naa sa x and y. Nang kuan sa x and y. Di ba matan-aw niyo dira di ba mo ni ang x and y. So kaning diri di ba mo yung y, isang picture to ninyo dira pila ang y, pila ang tag dinhi kung pila ang dinhi i-divide mo ang slope. Mamili lang mo dira og isa. It's either kanina number yung pilion, i-substitute niya dinhi, kana dinha. Tapos i-divide na yun kung sa pila result mo ang slope. Sige na? Variable. Di ba mo ni ang x and y? Ya kani mo ni ang y, di ba? Magpili ra mo og duha ka number din ni So, ibalik kani nga number. Di ba kana 10. So, dili ko sa x 5. So, di ba 10, din nga kay y man ni x. 10 divide 5 ilang slope. Ilang slope? 2. So, mo ang slope. So, di na ito pwede mabalik na. Sige, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. 3 minutes either. 3 minutes. Dari na ito siya, para one pair of number and yung i-fill in the blank lang yung draa. 3 minutes. Kumuha na, ihatag na sa ako. Balag wala pa naman ng time. Okay, very good. Fine. How about the group one? Please keep quiet. And then, so we are done to our activity. So, ato na siya i-recall para na. So, how do you determine the slope of a line given the situation? How about Parin?
Take 2 points on the line and determine their coordinates. Determine the differences of x and y, and divide the difference in y and x. Coordinates arise over run.
Okay, very good. When can we apply finding the value of slope of a line in our daily life? How about Wegos?
Slope is a measure of steepness. Example, in building roads, one must figure out how to step the road will be.
Okay, very good. Then, what are the steps in finding the value of the slope of a line given the value of x and y? How about Alkino?
Sub y2 minus sub y1 divided by sub x2 minus sub x1. Change in y divided by the change in x.
Okay, very good. Since we are done to our topic, so magsamative test sa top. Multiple choice. A is either A, B, C, and D. So another one more sheets of paper or in your notebook only. Then I'll read the questions twice only. Okay? Ina. Number 1. What is the formula of slope of a line? A. Y is equal to kx. B. F is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over y sub 2 minus x sub 1. C. Right over run. B. A is equal to B plus C. Okay, number 1. What is the formula of slope of a line? A. Y is equal to kx. B. F is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus y sub 1. C. C is rise over run. D. A is equal to B plus C. Number 2. What does M represent in the M is equal to rise over run? Here, what is this? What M represent? A. Y-intercept. B. Slope. C. Macaroni. D. Nothing. Number 2. What does M represent in the M is equal to rise over run? A. Y minus intercept. B. Slope. C. Macaroni. D. Nothing. What is the slope for the table below? In the X is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in Y is equal to 7, 10, 13, and 16. A. 1/3. B. 3 over 7. C. 7 over 3. D. 3. What is the slope for the table below? In X is 3, 4, 5, 6. And Y is 7, 10, 13, and 16. A. 1/3. B. 3 over 7. C. 7 over 3. D is 3. Which of the following are ways to find the rate of change? A. Change in y over change in x. B. Rise over run. C. Subtract y coordinates over subtract x coordinates. D. All of the above. Number 4. Which of the following are ways to find the rate of change? A. Change in y over change in x. B. Rise over run. C. Subtract y coordinates over subtract x coordinates. D. All of the above. Number 5. What direction is an undefined slope? A. Horizontal. B. Vertical. So in number 5, one duha ra siya ang pilian, it's either A and B. So what direction is an undefined slope? A, horizontal, B, vertical. Number 6. Find the slope of a line that passes through the pair of 10 and 1 and 5 and 2. Or x sub 1 is 10, x sub 2 is 5, y sub 1 is 1, y sub 2 is 2. The choices is A, 1/5, B, negative 1/5, C, 5, D, negative 5. Find the slope of a line that passes through the pair of numbers. X sub 1 is 10, x sub 2 is 5, y sub 1 is 1, and y sub 2 is 2. The choices A, 1/5, B, negative 1/5, C is 5, D is negative 5. Next, number 7. Find the slope of a line that passes through the points of x sub 1 is 2, x sub 2 is 6, y sub 1 is 4, y sub 2 is 12. A, 1/2, B, negative 1/2, C, 2, D, negative 2. Find the slope of a line that passes through the points x sub 1 is 2, x sub 2 is 6, y sub 1 is 4, y sub 2 is 12. A, 1/2, B, negative 1/2, C, 2, D, negative 2. So what is the slope of a line passes through, again, the pair of numbers? X sub 1 is 2, x sub 2 is 3, y sub 2 is 2, y sub 1 rather is 2, y sub 2 is 5. The choices is A, 3, B, 1/3, C, negative 3, D, negative 1/3. Number 8. What is the slope of a line passes through the pair of number? X sub 1 is 2, x sub 2 is 3, y sub 1 is 2, y sub 2 is 5. A, 3, B, 1/3, C, negative 3, D, negative 1/3. We have only 8 ra siya tama. Okay, pass your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay na, dito ka na. Since we are done to our discussion for today. I'm sorry, we have our assignment. So our assignment is Please copy, then pass it tomorrow. So direction, identify a point on each line and the slope of the line. Then use the slope values to answer the riddle. So please copy. Okay na? Okay. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.